Would you like more peace, gratitude, and self-compassion in your life? Hi, I'm Pamela, and I can help you to improve your well-being by showing you how to be mindful using simple activities. Today on Peaceful Pursuits with Pamela, I am relaxing by mindfully cutting a paper snowflake to look like this photograph of a real snowflake. Soon I will fold a piece of paper into 12 layers to look like this. Then I will draw 1/12 of the snowflake pattern onto it. So first I'll work out what 1/12 of this snowflake looks like. Here is 1/6 and here is 1/12. I'm going to simplify this pattern to make it easier to draw and to cut out. Then I will draw this pattern onto my triangle of paper and cut away the parts that are red in this picture. Now that I have worked out the pattern, I will show you how to fold the paper. Step 1. Fold the paper like this so that the top two edges are level with each other. Step 2. Cut away this strip of paper. If I opened this, it would be an exact square shape. Step 3. Fold it in half again, like this. The more exactly the edges line up, the better the snowflake will look. The size of paper I'm using is Australian A4 size, which is 21 centimetres wide. Step 4. Mark the paper 7.5 centimetres from the left. This is a little bit more than 1/3 of the paper size. Step 5. Fold the paper to the 7.5 centimetre mark. It is important to be sure that the fold comes to an exact point. Step 6. Turn the paper over and make another fold like this, making sure that the fold comes to an exact point. Also, make sure all the edges line up. It should look like this. Step 7. Cut across the top. Step 8. I have lightly drawn the pattern onto the paper. Now I'll trace over it so it's easier to see. Step 9. Cut away the pieces that aren't needed. If you can get it, thin paper will be easier to cut. You may be able to relax, be mindful and be at peace as you watch this video, or you may like to try doing this activity yourself. Usually, before I do something relaxing like this, I do a few simple things first. I turn my phone off, I drink some water, I write down 3 things that I'm grateful for, and I take a few deep breaths. Then I do something relaxing and enjoyable. I'm happy with how this turned out. My paper snowflake looks like the snowflake I was copying. You don't need to copy a real snowflake. You can make up your own shapes. Just relax, be mindful, and have fun. I hope you've enjoyed today's Peaceful Pursuits with Pamela. I have got lots of other ideas as well. If this has been helpful to you, please press the like button. If you think you have a friend who might benefit from it, also share with them, please. And press the subscribe button if you would like to see more ideas like this. If you press the bell notification, you'll be notified each time I upload a new one. Have a wonderful day because you are wonderful.